A former Florissant police officer who admitted to stealing nude photos from women during traffic stops was sentenced in federal court.
A judge ordered Julian Alcala to serve 2 years in prison after he pleaded guilty to 20 federal civil rights violations. Our Megan Kernan has been following this case since 2024, and she is live outside the federal courthouse in downtown St. Louis with reaction.
Mike and Ann, about 2 hours ago, many victims filled the courtroom, and we heard from two of them who fought back tears. One victim shared how during a traffic stop in 2024, Julian Alcala stole private medical photos she had taken after a surgery. She said months later, the FBI showed up at her door with those photos. The victim said the badge gave him the power, and he misused that power. This sentencing comes nearly 2 years after investigators say Julian Alcala abused his power as a Florissant police officer to secretly search women's phones during traffic stops. Prosecutors say between February and May of 2024, Alcala pulled women over, took their phones back to his patrol car to verify insurance, then searched them without a warrant. Investigators say he targeted at least 20 women, sending their nude photos and videos to his personal phone before deleting the evidence and returning those phones. In court today, the judge asked Alcala when he decided it was okay to do this. Alcala responded it was never okay and admitted he thought he could get away with it. Does your client feel remorse for what he did, and what does Julian Alcala want to say to the victims today?
He said what he said in court. Not only does he feel remorse, he's completely accepted responsibility. He understands that his conduct was a very severe, meaningful violation of their privacy.
I take today as a real vindication for the victims. I want to make sure the victims are front and center in this case. 20 different women, all who went through this absurd, humiliating experience.
Alcala also apologized to the victims in court. The judge sentenced Alcala to 24 months in federal prison, ordered him to pay $2,600 to two victims, and allowed him to voluntarily surrender at a later date. Live downtown, Megan Kernan, 5 on your side.